私のうちの本棚は去年父作りました。1や2が3を4で Which one do you think is correct for this sentence? If we translate to be English, it should be like My book sales was made by my father last year. So, 私のうち which mean in my house. の本棚 is mean bookshelf. So that means the bookshelf in my house. What? Right. So after that, 去年 is mean last year. 父 is mean my father. 作りました which mean was make or create or make. So in here we have the four joys. The first joy they say yeah. Yeah, we will use when we create a sentence that have many things, but we just want to say the presentative things only. So we use ya, for example, 本や教科書など something like this. And it means and on, so on. For the second choice, ga we will use when we create a sentence that have the subject and the object, and we put the ga to be the between subject and object. For example, 私が学生です。Or you can say like これが正しいです。Something like this. And the third one, o. The particle o we will use to help the word. For example, I want to say ご飯を食べます。食べます is mean eat, but we use o to make the sentence that I eat the rice, or I have a dinner, or I have a lunch, or I have a meal. For example, 水を飲みます right? 飲みます is mean is the verb that mean drink, but we put o that mean he or she or I drinks the water. And the last one, de is mean at or on. So we will use de when we use with the place. For example, 図書館で本を読みます which means I read the book at the library. Something like this. But in here, our sentence they say 父作りました right? So in here, we have the subject 父 and the object 作りました right? So the correct one is mean が父が作りました So the correct one is the number 2, right? 私のうちの本棚は去年父が作りました。My book sale was made by my father last year. And what other you should remember, in here we have the wa and ga, right? So did you see the first we have the small sentence. So the most in small sentence in here, 父が作りました right? So it's the small sentence. So the big sentence is mean 私のうちの本棚 right? This part will be the object, and after that followed by va, right? Va we also use to be when we want to create the sentence that we have the object, the subject, right? In here, our subject in here is 私のうちの本棚, right? So after va will be the object. So the object in here we will have it can be the small sentence like 去年父が作りました. But for the small sentence we also have 父 be the object and が be the が 作りました be the subject. So this is about how to create the sentence by using wa and ga.